Hey there. If you're watching this, please know that it's okay to be different. It's okay to be a loner, an introvert, or not have many friends. You don't have to fit into society's idea of what's normal. It's okay to be unique and march to the beat of your own music. It's important to remember that quality is more important than quantity. Having a true friend who understands and appreciates you is more valuable to introverts. And if you don't have any friends, your own company can be even better. You're not alone. There are so many others out there who feel the same way. Embracing your uniqueness is empowering, healthy, and important. Remember, you are valuable just the way you are. Embrace your individuality and never be afraid to shine your light. You are worthy of love and connection. Stay true to yourself. You are amazing just the way you are. Don't let anyone make you feel badly about yourself, like you're not enough, or like there's something wrong with you because you're a loner and prefer your own company to more superficial groups of people. Being a loner and introvert can be an interesting, rewarding, and pleasurable way to live one's life. Embrace your true nature and enjoy it.